Greetings traders, it is Wednesday, October 3rd, 2018. The news has just come out and made a nice move down here. Let's see how far is that. It's like 60 tick move down. It's not bad. In fact, that is pretty good actually. It hasn't moved that much off the news in a while. In fact, I commented about this just today within my charting service, that it hasn't been moving very much at all. Well, this is a change. It's moving really good, 60 ticks right there so far. So anyway, today should be a fairly easy day. Let's go take a look at the daily to see what it looks like. Okay, we have a complete reversal on the daily now. We would let's see here. I'm not sure exactly what it is going to do. Let's just go ahead and just follow the code and see what it says, and just take it, no matter which way it says to go. And anyway, I'm going to use a Newsday entry called out in advance within my charting service before it would ever even happen, and I'll be back once I've taken a position. It looks to me like this thing's gonna go shoot way higher, and the daily here is gonna completely reverse and go green. That's what it looks like to me, what's gonna happen. Now, I'm not taking an entry because I don't have a code 2 signal yet. I'm still looking for one. I don't have a signal, so therefore I don't know which direction the program says it's going to go. I only know what it looks like it's going to do to me. Anyway, I am still looking for a signal here. Still don't have one. As soon as I get a signal, I'm going to take the entry. It's going to tell me the program that is controlling this is going to give away a flaw within the programming. And it's going to tell me which direction it's going to go. It's going to either go up or it's either going to go down. And it will let me know that, and then I'll take the entry. And by being able to read it right, you can get it right a vast majority of time, which obviously I show over and over again. Anyway, I will be back once I've taken the entry. Yeah, I really think this thing's going to take off here. It's going to go shoot way, way higher. And it's going to go green on the daily here, and it may go up and break this high up here, this very tip-top high up here on the previous day. It may go and break that and go even higher. It might get hot here, real hot. I still don't have a signal. Stand by, I may be getting one. Okay, I've taken a long entry. It's shooting up here. Alright, I need to set the stop. Stop is going to be set to 74.85. 74.85 on the stop. Okay. Alright, like I said, it's going to take off. It's going to go green on the daily. And I think it's probably going to go up and break this high up here. Here we go. Oil's going to get hot. And I also called for this within my charting service as well. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you are witnessing the truly unique phenomenon of being able to trade the oil market in a way using a system that is vastly superior to any other system out there. Okay, I've changed the exit for 100 ticks. So the exit is sitting up at 76.03 for a 100 tick exit. And that is going to put me just above this bar here. This bar is going up to 75.91. It'll be just a little bit above that, up to 76.03. which it should be able to make as far as I can tell. Now it may make it quite a bit higher than that. And what I'm going to do is attempt to use the codes to possibly hang on to it for even more than 100 ticks, possibly. But if I just get 100 ticks, I'll be happy with that too. Anyway, just another easy day using the codes for the oil market. I'll be back. Now, if you're a trader and you see, oh, I'm up so much already, and you get scared and you get out, you know, you're really going to be kicking yourself, because there's times when you really want to hang on to trades, and in order to see them, you need to look at the daily chart. You also need to use the codes. And yeah, I mean, this one, you know, I already talked about this in my charting, that there was a good chance that this thing was going to do it. It was going to go. And there's still very good chance that it's going to do it. It's not a 100% chance, of course, but it looks pretty good so far. Because it actually, we're still not out of the woods mathematically, though. I'll be back. Okay, we might be getting a reversal here. I'm going to see where I'm going to get out at. I'm going to get out before right as I break even there, I'll jump out. So it's either going to continue to go higher here, or if it comes back to 75.04, I'm going to get out. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to re-enter using the breakout technique. So I won't lose on this trade, and then what I will do is use the breakout technique, which will 100% guarantee me mathematically that I am going to get in going in the right direction. Anyway, I will come back. Okay, I've got the break-even stop in place at 75.04. Come back. Okay, I've exited out of that trade. I'm probably going to get back in. I'm just playing it a little bit safe here. And as soon as I get another entry using the code, which I could get one here shortly, I'm going to take another entry. I might go long again. I might go short. It just depends on what the code says. Anyway, I will come back. Okay, I do have another long entry here. And let's see, 60 ticks would take me up to 95. I'll just keep it up there for another 60 ticks here. I'll come back. It's shooting up higher here. 65, 75. Got my exit up at 95. Getting closer. Let's take a look at the daily. Yeah, I guess that is a pretty good signal to go for more. Let me take a look here. I'll be right back. Yeah, I would say it's appropriate to go for more. Alright, let's push some more ticks. That's at 60. That's 70. Let's push it up to 80 ticks. 80 ticks, 76.15. Let's see how much, how high it actually wants to go here. There's a good chance it could really run here and make a big move up. There is a pretty decent chance of it. Anyway, I will come back. By the way, this is what the 10-minute looks like. See, it's broken out. So, not too hard to make money at the oil market. You just need to know how to use the codes, how to read them, and then the oil market, the magic of the oil market opens up to you, where you learn how to take entries that are go in the right direction. Simple as that. They go in the right direction. I mean, you agree that oil moves down, it moves up. I mean, it does move, right? All you have to do is know which direction it's going to go when you make money, right? That's what the codes give to you. not just the direction, but also the right entry, so that you can use a reasonable stop and not get the stop hit. That's very important. Anyway, I will come back. Okay, I've placed a break-even stop on this trade down to 75.36. So if it goes down there, I'm just going to break even here. I'll come back. Okay, break-even stop on that one got hit. So anyway, I'm going to call it a night here. It's getting late for me. And there's more codes I could take, but I just don't feel like taking them. So I will be back tomorrow to take some more trades and to show off the codes. And I could have made it today, but it didn't quite go high enough, didn't stretch out enough. Wants to be a little bit choppy here, so no big deal. There's always tomorrow. So I'll be back tomorrow for some more trading. Hope you code traders out there are doing good. Happy trading.